Mr. Greenface. I feel dead inside. I feel dead inside. I feel dead inside. I feel dead inside. I just wanna close my eyes, kiss this world and this place goodbye. I feel so dead inside. I feel dead inside. I just wanna close my eyes, kiss this world and this place goodbye. I feel so dead inside. Got no feelings inside, got no thoughts inside. A dead shell walk it, that's a lot of us. Depressed and don't have no feelings, don't know the damn meaning, only depression. Yeah, that's what's happening. Don't have the time to be stressed and I'm in depression. Stressing, no, I'm in depression. I'm going crazy, I'm in depression. I don't wanna stay, I wanna go. Suicide thoughts bother me every day. In my head, these thoughts, they wanna stay. I just wanna close my eyes and don't wake up to see another day. Depression. I feel dead inside. I just wanna close my eyes and kiss this world and this place goodbye. I feel so dead inside. I feel dead inside. I just wanna close my eyes, kiss this world and this place goodbye. I feel so dead inside. I'm getting tired of life. No, I'm really tired of life. I wanna go to the afterlife. Probably it's a better life. At least I would see some friends and loved ones that I really missed. Who knows how the afterlife goes, but I just wanna go.